welcome to Dardontech. This is Linda.
Hi, this is Ellie.
Our great honor to introduce you our company here in China, Qingdao. Please follow my camera to check more details. Dardontech was established in 2013, located in the beautiful coastal city Qingdao. We have invested 0.26 billion in 2018 to establish the first stage project, including the office building, the one in front of us, and 3 workshops behind. In 2020, our company invested 0.21 billion to build second stage project, heavy-duty press brake workshop, and it will be put into use by the end of 2024. Now the whole factory covers an area of 52,000 square meters and has more than 300 employees. This is our office building. It has 5 floors. The administrator and engineers, some sales and financial department all working here. These are our 3 workshops. Number 1 is for machining center. And number 2 is for CNC turret punching machine and panel bender. Number 3 is for press brake and laser cutting machine. Now we are on site of number 1 workshop. Let's go to see the machining center. On this side of the machining center, there are 3 sets. You can see this design is imported from Japan directly. These are 5-axis integrated precision machine, and the precision at about micron classes turret is made here. As we know, this is the only machine about the Mozart in Qingdao. Based on these high precision making machines, the turret precision and stability is ensured. Right side are the drilling machines and milling machines. Okay. There are also some storage of press brake on site of number 1 workshop. The frames and ready to ship press brakes. Due to the rapid development of the factory, the first stage warehouse are not available for the storage of the machines, but the situation will get released because at the end of 2024, the new project, the second stage, heavy-duty warehouse will get to use. This is the second stage present, such like this 4.1 meters press brake will be produced there. Go straight towards the west is the number 2 workshop, the punch machine and the panel bender workshop. Let's go and see. Okay, now we are in number 2 workshop. On my left hand, this is our workshop office, our quality department and warehouse office, the service department, some technical department also here. It makes sure every machine is under strict supervision. Quality assurance and certificate department is just in the workshop. Any questions, the inspector will set up the communication bridge of workers, technicians to solve the problem at the first time. Okay, this machine in front of us is the mechanical turret punch press. It's our T30. We can see the turret. This one is 16 stations, This model was popular before 2016. It can customize different turret configuration for 16 stations, 24 stations, and 32 stations. Also, the auto index station can be customized. This model still have some market because it is a lower power consumption, only 2 kilowatt per hour. We can see all these workers can be completed on this machine for some circle, square, and different shapes. This one is made on the auto index station by rectangle shapes. That means this machine also have the auto index option. This is auto floating. This machine also can do some forming works, some common forming like louver, extrusion, embossing. Its punching speed only 220 every minute. This, generally speaking, this one is an economic model. This model is our servo motor ES300. We can see this is the standard turret. It has 32 stations, including 2 auto index stations. It with fast speed. Punching speed can reach to 2,000 times per minute. And the turret also can make 32, 36, 42, 46, 48. Also, the multi-tools and typing function can be chosen. You can see it has A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D stations. It can meeting different requirements for the customer's products. This is the pneumatic and floating clamps. It is convenient for customers to loading the sheet. This machine, the wide size can make 1.25 meter, 1.5 meter, and 2 meters maximum. Always standard size is 1.25. It suited for most of the industries, and 2 meters is for aluminum veneer industry. It's a counter. The counter is developed by our company. It is user-friendly. English, Russian, and Chinese. Also, other language can be translated and then imported. This model is ER300. Its main structure is the same as ES300, but the difference is the configuration. First is the system. The system is imported from Germany directly, and the feeding motor, also the ball screw and the linear guider, both imported from Germany. Meanwhile, some customers really in urgent need of labor saving the automatic loading and unloading system, sometimes configured. See this customized automatic loading and unloading machine with ER300. This system loading capacity at 3,000 kilograms. So to have a look for our bending master, the flexible panel bender. This is one of the hottest machines in sheet metal fabrication industry, not only because its device bending technology, also for its high precision and labor-saving advantages. Generally, we separate the type into conventional and heavy duty. We can see this one with this type of structure. It's special for the heavy duty model. And this machine also assembles the ASB function. It can bend some small parts for the special workpiece. This is the press arm. This machine uses this press arm to press the sheet, and then it can rotate 360 degrees to realize the automatic bending works. This machine is heavy-duty model and with this size, it with 16 axes. We can see all these motors choose Dardontech from Taiwan. But how to choose a machine between standard machine and heavy duty model? We can see the difference is from the sheet thickness. For the sheet under 1.5 millimeter, we choose a standard machine. If the thickness up to 2 millimeter, it's better to choose a heavy duty model. This is our showroom. We can see it has most of the machine we manufactured. This one is CNC press brake. It can combine with the robot. Can save the labor cost. And this is the panel bender we have introduced just now. This one is 1.4 meters. It's very smart. You can see this sample is making on this machine. It contains most of the function which the panel bender can make. Sheet plate storage tower, and it with 4 layers. It is designed according to customer requirement. We can see a 10-layer storage tower in number 3 workshop also. And for this one, this is a punch and laser combined machine. It's a 4 set of Germany Rex rods from Bosch Group. Model is ERL 300. It's a 4 set of Germany Rex rod system and servo motors. It's especially suited for products which need high precision requirement, such as TV mantle shell, electrical cabinet.
We are in the number 3 workshop, the press brake and laser cutting machine workshop. Let's see the left hand press brake. They are all mini press brake. It's for electrical press brake. The conventional for electrical press brake, we are designed 35 tons and 70 tons for the small size. For electrical press brake, the slide plate is directly driven by the servo motors behind. It's significant advantage, no hydraulic and faster reaction and power saving. PDS and PDE. Let's take PDS for example for the introduction. Standard PDS 225 and 3100. PDS S is the single servo motor for the slide plate. And 225 tonnage bending force, and 3100 is the work table length. This is a standard 4 + 1 axis press brake. Let's go to the back. The single servo motors for the slide plate control. The 4 + 1 axis Y1 and Y2. X-axis about the back gauge going forward and backwards, and the axis for the back gauge up and down. The standard 4 + 1 axis also has the crawling system. PDS, the hydraulic system is from Germany Rex rods. It's a valve control system, And the red component is also imported from Germany. The brand is Dardontech. It's a high pressure filter. It's for the filtering of the oil in the press brake. It's very important component. It ensures the machine working smoothly and without problem. If you choose a press brake, please take care of this part. Now let's see the PDE series. Generally, the 4+1 axis standard PDE almost the same as the PDS 4+1 axis press brake. The difference is about the Y-axis servo motors. PDS is a single one, but PDE are the two motors driving. And the hydraulic system is from valve control system to the pump control system. They are all imported from Germany Reckroth. This PDE is non-standard. It's customized for an electrical cabinet business customer. It's a 7+1 axis. What about the additional 3 axes besides the 4+1? Let's see the details from the back. There are 2 backward fingers, and each finger has a motor, servo motor. So the backward fingers can running on the beam directly. And for the right position of the finger, there is another servo motors. It controls the fingers going forward and backward directly, not only with the backward beam. So these are the 3 additional axes. This machine is configured with Vela hydraulic clamping. It reduced almost 7% of the tooling exchanging time at the crowning system. Regarding to the system, conventionally we have DLAM from the Netherlands, ISAD Italy, and Soblek Switzerland. And this time we choose the robot cooperate with the press brake. Let's see this robot's working cell. It's a Fanuc robot with the running rails. The turnover platform, the magnetic plate separating, the centering platform, and the pneumatic sucker. Of course, these configurations are not fixed. It depends on the actual needs. Generally, the robots we are using is Fanuc Japan and Aston made in China. They are good machines and in big brand. These 5 cells are all the same configuration. 2 other configuration of press brakes. These 2 sets are different from the front 5 machines. They do not have the robot, but configured with the material bending follower. Why has this design? That's because when there is the big size sheet plate and the bending length and the bending height is very big, and it's very hard for the operator to handle. So this follower will help the operators to finish the processing. There are also some special design about the backward finger, the different shapes. is for the different angle of the plate binding. These are the components, some materials of the laser and press brake. Some storage of the press brake frames. This is an integral marble. What is it used for? Actually, it is for the gun liner straightness detecting. Why choose this material? That because its natural feature is stability in different temperature and humidity. Some other storage of press brake and shearing machines. The last space in the number 3 workshop is for laser cutting machines. This is a model of DT 1725, the tube and profile cutting machines. 3 chucks. Chucks means the holder, material holder. 3 chucks in theory, no tailing. And configured with this semi-automatic loading system, the servo material rack, pneumatic unloading system, and sure, some other configurations can be made on this machine. Full automatic material loading system and unloading system. Of course, there are some other models for the tube and profile cutting, such as the 70, 12, 60, 12, 60, 18, etc. This is DE 6025. It's a 4 enclosed laser cutting machine. This laser cutting machine is specialized designed for the aluminum vinyl industry. It has its special design. See these floatboards. Because of the material, aluminum is very soft. This design is to avoid the friction of the plate and the work table. This machine is open top model. These are the frames of the laser cutting machines. All the frames are plate welding and through tempering treatment. This process costly, but we have to. Only through this process can ensure the frame stability and rigidity, and in the future it reduces the risk of precision error. It is a sheet plate storage tower, about 10 layers. Automatic loading and unloading machine. These two equipments are configured to the laser cutting machine, DE 3015. The combination makes the cutting automatic, labor saving, and high efficiency. There are many types of laser cutting machines in different shapes. For enclosed, semi-enclosed, and open top. different cutting size. And for this DF 1315 is for the laser cutting lines. The working table is very different from the DE and the DS. DE is double exchanging working table. DS is single working table. About DF is a rotating table. It configured with the laser cutting lines. When customers is using the coil, not the sheet plate, uncoil machine, leveling machines, and the DF 1315, these three machines combined together as a laser cutting line. Generally, the laser cutting machine laser source from 1.5 kilowatt to the 20 kilowatt, and also large power laser source about such as the 40 kilowatt. In Dardontech, we have diverse kinds of design for different machines. Just let us know your idle thinking. We will together with you to find the best solution for your products.
Dardontech has devoted to sheet metal fabricating industries for decades. We have got high reputation for both domestic and overseas. In the future, we will keep our enthusiasm and passion to service every customer. Thank you for your support.